don't have water in our area. I'm paying tax. We have no roads. I'm paying tax. We have no schools. So some of these things have to do with how you distribute.
Orchikoro rashtamaka mukuzi Commissioner Emabona nuwe ebemberamo abarga Local Government Finance Commission omwanyugu bamaze kuhereza omugisha bebembezi ba district ya Mbarara okugamba na munonga hariye ebikubateganisa chaika ombikwatirine n'omushoro.
You know how we have been struggling with Urga, and these people are really suffering. They have their issues. They have even the cash limit issue. Have you talked about those things, or it is not in her? So basically, local governments, they are no longer governments. They are just departments. I think they should call it Mbarara District Department, because they are a government in wording, but practically the trend has shifted. All planning, everything is done by Kampala. For you, they send you indicative figures that you go and plan, say for 200 million shillings to construct schools. And now 200, you plan to construct how many? That means you construct one classroom.
Didas Tabaro chairman wa district ya Mbarara nuwe yanja kugamba abikwatirine n'omushoro.
Commission omurimo gwayo no ku advisinga central government na local governments omu bintu bya entasi ya local governments esente ezikuruga omu bantu kureba ngu zagaruka omu bantu kandi zakora ez'emishoro local revenue ekyo turi omu by'emishoro.
Abebembezi abacangire kukozesa enkora ya IRS amateeka nago kwija kongera kubakoraho.
Turimu temptation y'okwenda kwiha esente omu bantu kuzikwata cash manual collection, kandi ekitukumanya ngu esente ezo nizigira ebizibu tizikuhika ha district. Hakirimu obuzibu bw'abantu obuteeteegyereza omushoro n'enki habwokuba omuntu yaaba naatambura aha ruguuto rubi, yaaba tiine maizi omu kyaro, maybe batiine amashomero, batiine amashanyarazi, omuntu nayebuuza ati ahabw'enki nimpa omushoro. So turiyo nituhiga district ngu esente ziraguma zaruga omu bantu, district yaaba neplaninga eri ngu neplaninga ebintu ebikuganyira abantu bakamanya ngu esente ezibarugiremu buzima zakora ebibakwenda ngu bikorwe.
Ekiganiro ekyaba omu district ya Mbarara nikyo kugumizamu okwetoroora ihanga izooba lya nyenkyakare nibaza omu district ya Kiruhuura. Habwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon.